You might think that recharging your vehicle's air conditioning is a task reserved for those who work in a repair shop or have access to a full mechanic shop worth of tools. Common perception is that doing any work under the hood requires a vast array of tools and even more know-how. And for some jobs, that's definitely the case. But if the air blowing from your vents is warm, there's a good chance you can restore cold air on your own with no extra tools required. So all of this, unnecessary. Because with AC Pro, recharging your vehicle's air conditioning is easy. With each kit, you get all the tools you need to restore cold air. Simply follow the 3 easy steps, and in 10 minutes or less, your vehicle's cabin will be cool again. Need extra help? Check out our website and YouTube channel for extra info. Our resources are still technically a tool in your toolbox. More questions? Head to acprocold.com for additional information on everything it takes to keep your car's AC blowing cold.